Connected successfully! Hello, this is Shark's Help Team! Shark's Help Team, please help me! The cave collapsed! My friends have been trapped inside! We are clear about the situation! Don't worry, Shark's Help Team is taking action! Let me see, we need the rescue expert for this action! Daddy
starts to transform! Set off, Daddy Shark, the rescue expert! Don't worry, little guy. I'm a rescue expert. You can leave the rest to me.
Thank you, Daddy Shark.
The cave is open. I'll bring others here. Be patient and wait here for me. There are hidden globefish and electric eels. This place is very dangerous. Be sure to keep away from them.
Please help us!
The jellyfish are there. Let's find them.
Help! Help!
Don't be scared. Here I come.
It's you, Daddy Shark. Help!
Come with me.
Great! Help! Help!
Let me take you out of here.
Fantastic!
Oh, I must come up with a way to comfort these little guys. There is a way! Grandma Shark, it's time to show your skills!
Dear Daddy Shark, leave it to me. Grandma Shark starts to transform. Set off, Grandma Shark, the master chef. Oh, the poor little guys must be terrified. Don't be afraid, my darlings. Grandma will make some worm ice cream for you. Many worms that jellyfish like to eat are hiding in here. Let me catch them to make some more worm ice cream. Catching these naughty worms is not a problem for me. Let's start making some worm ice cream. Pour the powdered sugar into the bowl. Pour the worms. Shake the plate up and down. Put the worms in the ice cream cone. Shake. Put the worms in the ice cream cone. up and put the worms in the ice cream cone. Cut the foods and spread them on the worm ice cream. They look so invited. My friends will love it. Thank you, Grandma Shark. They are thanks a lot. Thanks a million. You are welcome. Sharks Help Team mission complete. A Medal of Honor has been obtained. Yeah! Sharks Help Team is the best. Oh, the alarm goes off. Someone needs help. Connected successfully! Hello, this is Sharks Help Team! The seaweeds in our home are suddenly growing like crazy. That is horrible! What should we do? We are clear about the situation. Don't worry, Sharks Help Team is taking action! Let me see. The team member for this action must be agile. Mommy Shark starts to transform! Set off, Mommy Shark, the heroine of agility! Oh, what should we do? Don't worry, the Sharks Help Team is here. Come on, let's cut the seaweed together. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Phew, we finally get a place to play. But how to deal with these seaweeds that have been cut? We can have a seaweed feast. Let's catch some delicious shrimps. Yeah! Yeah! Let's drive these shrimps into the net. Round 1, success! Round 2, victory! Yeah! The cooperation is perfect! The ingredients are ready. Grandma Shark, it's your showtime! Aha! You can count on me for the feast. Grandma Shark starts to transform. Set off, Grandma Shark, the master chef. I'm coming. Don't worry, my little darlings. Grandma's here to make hamburgers for everyone. Slide the bubbles. One hamburger for one seahorse is perfect. Two hamburgers for two seahorses are gorgeous. Three hamburgers for three seahorses are tasty. Four hamburgers for four seahorses are delicious. Five hamburgers for five seahorses are sufficient. Sharks Help Team, mission complete. A Medal of Honor has been obtained.
Yeah!
Keep going. Be a guardian of the sea. Oh, the alarm goes off. Someone needs help. Connected successfully! Hello, this is Sharks Help Team! Oh no! The bad octopus is making trouble in the temple. What should we do? We are clear about the situation. Don't worry, Sharks Help Team is taking action! Let me see. The team member for this action must be intelligent. Baby Shark starts to transform! Set off, Baby Shark, the witty little warrior! Don't panic, Mr. Turtle. The help team is in place. Oh, the bad octopus is making trouble in the treasure temple. Please go inside to stop him. You can count on me. Set off, Baby Shark. This is a magic door. It is not a problem for me. Oh, I should remember the music first before playing the tune. That's right. This is another piece of music. I should remember it. The puzzle has been solved. Wow, it's another piece of music. It's simple. Great! The door is open. Let's keep going and find out the bad octopus. Ah, it's another magic door. Let me unleash my brain power to open it. These two gems have the same color. I need to connect them. The gems are shining. There are more and more gems. This puzzle has also been solved. Let's try again. Great, it's done. The door is open. I will certainly catch the bad octopus. There is another magic door. Keep going. Will these gem fragments be useful? Pick them up first. Wow! I need to piece these gem fragments together. Great, it's completed. The last door is open. Justice will never come late. Stop moving. I am Little Shark of the Sharks Help Team. I just refuse to stand still, as you said. Look at this. Octopus total transformation. Oops. Where's the bad octopus hiding? Let me find it. Oops. You are here. Oops. Bad octopus, stop running away. Ouch. I have no more strength for transformation. Little octopus, there are lots of precious treasures in the treasure temple. It would be terrible if you mess up this place. Mr. Turtle, Baby Shark, I am wrong. I will never make trouble again. Don't do this anymore. The murals have been covered with marks that were caused by Little Octopus. What should we do? Grandpa Shark! The treasure temple is in trouble!
Don't worry, Little Shark. Leave it to Grandpa. Grandpa Shark starts to transform. Sharks Help Team mission complete.
A Medal of Honor has been obtained!
Yeah!